Thousands of scientists use this shared data to track migration, climate change, and even endangered species. You don't need to be a scientist to help science. You just need 3 steps. Download an app like Seek or iNaturalist, snap a picture of any planet, insect, bird, or track you see. Upload it. Your work just become a part of a global research. Even your mistakes help the AI get smarter. It's like being a scientist in a sneakers. Citizen scientists help track the spread of invasive beetles, discover new fungi, and warn of declining bird population, all from works like this one. Every tree you noticed, every bird call you hear adds to a giant living database, and you don't even need to leave your city. So, next time you walk through a forest, a beach, or city park, look around, take a photo. You might be the one to notice something not a scientist has seen yet. So, if this was good enough, subscribe for weekly walks, peaceful exploration, and ways to connect with nature in a powerful and unexpected way. Welcome to the Walking Concierge.